Hi guys, welcome back to TipRanks. My name is Annika and here at TipRanks we love to hear what different stocks you're looking at and your opinions on the market sentiment. Now, as you know, the market has been filled with volatility and this uncertainty is not great for investors. But in this video we're going to look at two large cap stocks with a perfect SMART score of a 10. A TipRanks SMART score of a 10 tells us that the stock is most likely to outperform the market. A SMART score under 5 shows that it is likely to underperform the market, whereas a SMART score over 5 shows that it is likely to outperform the market. So a 10 is that it is highly likely to outperform the market. Now, before we jump into this video, guys, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when the TipRanks channel releases a video. Also, TipRanks TV is live, and that's where you can watch all our financial content in an ad-free space. And we will reply to your comments directly there. I've linked it down below in the description box and in this video. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. So as many of you already know, Russia's invasion of Ukraine has caused market turmoil. There have been rising oil prices and rising commodity prices. And this has caused a lot of volatility in the market, not to mention rising costs for businesses themselves, since we have rising fuel prices. As a result, a lot of businesses have seen cost of production increase, and inflation has hit a 40-year high. And this inflation has clearly exacerbated the persisting environment. We also saw the Federal Reserve increase interest rates by 0.25%. Generally speaking, when interest rates go higher, it means cost of borrowing increases. Therefore, less people are taking out loans and buying. As a result, demand goes down. In fact, it means generally people are more incentivized to sell. And on the flip side, it also encourages consumers to save. So all of this has contributed to the current market environment. And in times like this is when the TipRanks SMART score comes in handy. It allows investors to see a well-rounded macro snapshot of the firm. The first large cap perfect 10 SMART score stock is Halliburton, and its ticker is HAL. Halliburton is one of the world's leading oil field service providers. The company operates in the energy, industrial, and government sectors with a variety of equipment, maintenance, engineering, and construction services. The two key segments in which it works are completion and production, and drilling and evaluation. In terms of financial performance, Halliburton posted strong fourth quarter earnings in January. On a year-over-year basis, both revenues and profits per share increased. Revenues increased 31.1% year-over-year to $4.27 billion, whilst adjusted earnings doubled to 36 cents per share, beating Wall Street's estimates of 34 cents per share. And of course, these impressive results bolstered the company's dividend-paying program. The company increased its quarterly dividend to 12 cents per share. This annualizes to around 48 cents per share. Of course, investor confidence is boosted in a large part by ongoing dividend hikes. Many analysts are also bullish on Halliburton. The current price is $37.58, and the analyst rating consensus is a strong buy, with 0 a sell, 10 a buy, and 3 a hold. The analyst price target is $34.38, which is a 8.52% downside. This downside only recently downgraded the perfect 10 score to a 9, but it does fluctuate from a 9 to a 10 over the last few weeks. As you can see, all the stock analysis is very positive. Blogger sentiment is bullish, analyst forecast is a strong buy. Hedge fund holdings is the only one that has shown a decrease, but insider transactions show that many have bought shares worth $1.6 million over the last 3 months. News sentiment is also bullish. Retail investors are also very positive, and the technicals, as we saw, are positive with a 24.93% return on equity for the trailing 12 months. The second large cap stock with a perfect 10 score is Agilent Technologies, and its ticker is A. Agilent is a developer and manufacturer of analytical instruments for laboratory workflows. The company has been introducing new and improved items on a regular basis, and this has of course boosted its consumer loyalty and market share. Agilent has been generating robust results over the last 3 quarters, and this is owing to its strength in end markets and its solid execution. And not only that, the company's financial results for the first quarter of 2022 were revealed last month, and they were great. Its quarterly sales increased 8% year over year to $1.67 billion. Adjusted profits also increased by 14% to $1.21 per share. And of course, many analysts are also bullish. The Agilent stock price currently is $138.14. The analyst rating consensus is a strong buy, and this is based on 6 buy ratings, 1 a hold, and 0 a sell. The analyst price target is $160.57, which is a 16.24% upside based on 7 Wall Street analysts offering 12-month price targets. In the past week, the Smart Score has been fluctuating between an 8 and a 10. Currently, it's an 8 due to market volatility, but we did see it at a 10 last week. The analyst forecast, as we mentioned, is a strong buy. Blogger sentiment is bullish. Hedge fund holdings have increased, and inside-out transactions, however, do show that many have sold shares. But retail investors are very positive. Fundamentals show that return on equity has been 24.20%. So guys, that was a quick, short and snappy video on 2 large cap stocks with a perfect Smart Score of a 10. Of course, they have changed in Smart Score. They do fluctuate between the values I gave. They're not always going to stay at 10. This is what's so amazing about the TipRanks Smart Score. It really adjusts based on the week and the current market sentiment and all the fundamentals that they rate when they assess a Smart Score. So yeah, guys, let us know what you think of these 2 stocks over at TipRanks TV. That's where you will see all our financial content firsthand and in an ad-free space. And we will reply to your comments directly on there rather than here on YouTube. Anyway, guys, if you made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when the TipRanks channel releases a video. Remember, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before you invest in anything. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!